off on it.
You are not smart. You are not smart.
I am smart.
Then how come you can't get that open?
Because I think it might happen on the wrong mode.
I don't know.
Oopsie doodle.
What did you do?
I got stuck.
You dented it. Like right here.
Okay, the Nintendo community's gonna hate me.
Hate Techno Matthew. He hates Nintendo.
Man.
Techno
And I
Matthew.
love Nintendo. That's
I love Nintendo even though I have nothing to do with them.
yeah. I own the company. I like the company so much. I bought it.
I own the company. My son's name is Nintendo, even though I don't have one. That'd be funny,
I
actually.
don't have a Nintendo, but that's my son's name.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm making the drill hole bigger.
Dad! What was that?
Video game.
Video game screeching from Nintendo in the depths.
I thought that was a screw.
That's not a
That
screw.
would've been stupid.
That's not a screw. You're just breaking it even more.
There's nothing wrong with it in the first place.
Then why are you trying to get it back?
Because apparently there's something wrong with the loading tray, and Ryan's a doof. And yes, I did say that.
Suffer.
Also, Monday was yesterday. He didn't post a video again.
He won't.
Narc.
Ryan, you're being told on a video, now make one. Oh gosh, I see like the glare. Oh my god.
Kumquats.
Kumquats. Oh, the light, it burns. The ugly, it burns.
Bald!
Bald.
Oh dear. I'm gonna break this by doing this.
I wouldn't do it anymore. I found this though.
Just one more time.
Yeah, one more. Thing snaps. Thing snaps in half. What did you do?
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
This one?
Yes, please make the drill hole bigger.
At least I can fit my screwdriver into it now. That's not a joke for the internet to enjoy.
Yes, it is. Suffer.
Hey.
It's not gonna work.
See the screw down there.
Ugh. Push your head down in there.
Cute.
It was cute.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, darn it. There. I seriously can't believe this thing fit though.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Maybe if I just use it to get some torque.
I don't think it's working.
It's not
Working. Lovely.
Yeah, it's proven to be ineffective.
Ineffective.
That's what I said.
Lovely.
Well. Drat. Do not care for this. It's close enough, I can just press the thing on the top. Okay. Well, this has proven to be unsuccessful. I think I'm never gonna get this thing open.
And that includes Matthew trying to open a Nintendo product that has beaten him. Very sad.
That's so weird.
Stop doing that.
It's a terrible idea, but...
Yes.
Okay, one more try. Oh, I got hold of something.
Hold to the side.
One more time.
I'm going
Just for good measure.
I'm
Yeah, this isn't gonna budge.
I would have guessed the first time I did that. Yep. Beautiful. Beautiful.